Ever imagine transforming your house with just a click? Well, now it's not just a dream, it's a reality. Welcome to the future of home design, where AI does all the heavy lifting for you. I'm talking about Home Design's AI, a revolutionary tool that's changing the game for homeowners like you and me. With this AI-powered tool, you can reimagine any part of your home, be it the interior, exterior, or even the garden, in seconds. Yes, you heard that right, seconds. Now let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you're looking at your living room and thinking it needs a bit of a refresh. All you have to do is upload a photo of your space, choose a mode, and pick from over 75 design styles. And voila, Home Design's AI will provide you with a transformed space that fits your vision perfectly. And the best part, it's not just for professionals. Over 22,025 PRO members and thousands of regular users are already using Home Design's AI. Find link in the description of this video. These folks are generating thousands of ideas every single day, making their home design dreams come true without breaking the bank or wasting time. Whether it's a modern minimalist look you're going for, or maybe something more rustic, the possibilities are endless. New styles are added every month, and you can even request custom designs. That's right, your creativity is the limit. And it's not just about aesthetics. Using Home Design's AI is super fast and offers the best quality designs. We're talking about a tool that's used daily in over 167 countries. It's the leading AI-powered design tool globally and is at your fingertips. So, why wait? Bring your home to life with AI. Visit Home Design's AI and start redesigning your home today. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how easy and fun it is to transform your space with just a few clicks. And who knows, maybe your home will be the next big sensation in the Home Design's AI community. Let AI do the magic for you and enjoy a home that's not just designed for living, but designed for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see how Home Design's AI helps you transform your space into something spectacular. Cheers to a smarter, more beautiful home. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get our videos as soon as we load them.